Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, today, ang pag-aaralan naman natin is kung ano ang parabola. So, by the way, ulitin ko lang, so we have 4 types of conic sections. So, meron tayong circle, parabola, ellipse, tapos yung hyperbola. So, previously, diniscuss ko sa inyo kung paano kung yung equation sa circle, sa lahat ng bagay na may kinalaman sa circles, diniscuss ko yun sa inyo noong lesson 1. So ngayon naman, for lesson 2, i-discuss ko naman sa inyo kung ano ang parabola. So let's start with the definition. So definition, let F be a given point and L a given line not containing F. So isa-sign natin. So let F daw be a given point. Let's say for example, we have here Cartesian plane. Sabihin natin, itong point na to, so wala siyang specific coordinates dyan ha. So let's say for example, itong point na to, we denote this one as point F. And then, let F be a given point and L a given line not containing F. Let's say for example, create tayo ng line dito sa may ilalim. So, we denote this line as line L. So, itong line down na to, dapat hindi nandito yung point F na yon. Kasi kung ilagay natin dito yung point F na yon, so hindi na yun magiging katulad sa definition niya. So, dapat meron tayong point na F daw na hindi nandoon sa line na L. So yan yung first sentence dun sa definition. So the set of all points P such that its distances from F and L are the same. So ano yung point na P na to? So dapat daw lahat ng mga set ng points P na dapat yung distances nila from L tapos from F are the same. So let's say for example, halimbawa na lang, gumawa ako dito ng point. Itong point na to, tawagin kong point P. Gumawa ko ng point dito, tapos yung point na to, denote ko ng point P. The question is, magiging magkatulad ba yung distance ni F tapos yung line na L? So measure natin yung distance from point F to point P, tapos measure natin yung distance from point P to line L. So the same ba yung distance nila? If the same yung distance nila, then meaning yung point na to is nasa parabola. So if we collect all the points na yun, i-connect natin sila, magkakaroon tayo ng graph of a parabola. But then, let's say for example naman, yung point natin is ilagay ko dito. Let's say for example na lang na yung distance natin from F to this point, then this point to line L, this point here, is the same. Meaning to say, this point here is on the parabola. Halimbawa also, maglagay ako ng point dito na in such a way na yung distance nito hanggang dito, tapos hanggang dito, is the same. Then meaning to say, yung point na to is nasa parabola. Also, if maglagay ako dito ng point na yung point F na to, distance nito from this point, distance nito from this point, the same, meaning to say that point is on the parabola. Nakuha. So kung extend natin siya, also to the left, i-connect natin lahat ng mga points na yon, then yun yung magiging graph na ngayon ng parabola natin. So I know na diniscuss na sa inyo nung grade 9 pa kayo kung ano yung graph ng parabola. So sanay tayo sa mga parabola na nakikita na parang ganito. Curve shape siya. Parabola that opens upward. Also, may parabola tayo na nag-open siya pa ilalim. Opens downward. Pero in this case, meron tayong mga cases na parabola natin is nag-open siya to the right. Merong parabola nag-open to the left. So, i-discuss natin yan lahat para maunawaan natin kung ano ba talaga yung parabola. So, I hope you understand the definition of a parabola. So now naman is discuss natin yung general form ng parabola tapos yung standard form. Then let's compare the two. So we have here, sinamari ko na kasi madaming formulas na may encounter natin sa mga conic sections, baka may stress tayo. So para hindi kayo ma-stress, sinamarize ko na dito lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan isaalang-alang natin. So memorize nyo na lang if gusto nyo. So we have here general form ax squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equals to 0. Also, meron tayo dito dy squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equals to 0. So notice that yung pinagkaiba lang ng dalawang equation na to is yung first term lamang. Nakuha. So yung first term, kung mapapansin natin, ax squared. Yung second term naman natin, yung pangalawang equation naman natin, first term sa pangalawang equation natin, mapapansin natin dito na meron siyang by squared na the same as ito. Mamaya explain ko ganyan pagkakaiba nila. Next one is the standard form. So meron tayong standard form also, x minus h raised to 2, quantity 2, is equals to positive negative 4c times 4 minus k. And then also, meron tayong y minus k squared is equals to positive negative 4c times x minus h. Now, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, papaano natin or ano yung kahalagahan or paano ba ito sabihin? So, kailan tayo gagamit ng general form na may x squared, general form na may y squared, at also kailan tayo gagamit ng standard form na may x minus h squared tapos y minus k squared. So yun yung mga tanong. So actually, malalaman kasi natin based dito sa standard form yung magiging orientation ngayon ng parabola natin. So ganito ha, makinig kayong mabuti kasi very important to. So again, ulitin ko, yung orientation ng parabola natin is malalaman natin depende sa standard form. Forma ng standard form niya. So let's say for example, magiging upward or opens upward or downward yung parabola natin if meron tayo dyang x squared. Same dun sa general form tapos sa standard form. Okay. So, if meron akong equation, let's say for example, equation ko is x squared plus 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0. So, malalaman kaagad natin based on this equation na yung parabola natin is either mag-o-open siya upward or downward kasi nga meron siya ditong x squared. So, ganun yun. Halimbawa naman, meron ako ditong y squared plus 3x plus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0. So obviously, since y squared yung ginamit na dito, yung parabola natin is hindi na upward downward yung orientation niya. Instead, magiging opens to the left na siya or opens to the left or right. Rightward and then leftward. Now, sa standard form naman, doon natin malalaman kung yung parabola natin either opens upward or downward. So let's say for example, meron akong equation dito ng parabola na x minus 3 squared is equals to negative 2 times y plus 8. So sa tingin nyo, itong equation na to is nakasulat siya in standard form. Tama. So what would you expect sa equation na to? Unang-una, titignan natin, since x yung mai-square dito, obviously, dapat yung orientation ng parabola natin, dapat it should be opens upward or downward. Pangalawa, alin sa kanilang dalawa dyan? Backward ba or upward? Yung titignan naman natin is ito. If maging negative to, meaning to say, downward yung opening ng parabola natin. If in case naman maging positive to, magiging upward yung opening ng parabola natin. So, ganun yung importance niya. Same as, let's say for example, meron ako ditong equation in standard form na kagaya nito. y negative 4 squared is equals to 8 times x plus 1. So itong equation na to is nakasulat siya in a standard form. Question number 1, ano yung orientation ng parabola natin dito? So madali lang, titignan natin kung ano yung naka-square. Si x ba or si y? Kung si y yung naka-square, meaning to say, yung opening ng parabola natin, it's either to the left or to the right. Now, titignan naman natin to. Is it positive or negative? Since positive siya, positive 8, meaning to say, confirmed na yung parabola natin, graph ng parabola natin dito, must be open siya to the right. Ganon. Nakuha na intindihan? Sige. Let's have a summary here. So, opens upward or downward. So, dapat yung mga x's natin dito, siya yung naka-square. So, positive negative 4c times y minus k. So, opens naman leftward and then rightward. Tama ba yung term ko? Leftward, rightward. Basta, opens to the left or opens to the right siya if yung y naman natin yung naka-square. Positive negative is equals to positive negative 4c times x minus h. So, ganun lamang siya. So, dito tayo magbe-base. Nakuha. Ulitin ko, kapag x yung naka-square, it's either yung graph natin, opening niya is pataas, pababa. If yung y naman yung naka-square natin dito, yung opening ng graph natin is either to the left or to the right. Makakonfirm natin yun based sa value ng 4c. If positive siya, meaning upward siya or to the right. If negative naman siya, meaning downward siya or to the left. So I hope you understand kung kailan natin gagamitin yung formula doon sa standard form na may x, sa general form na may x squared, kailan natin gagamitin yung formula doon na sa standard form na may y squared tapos doon sa may general form. Ako ha? So now, we have here other terms na kailangan i-define. So isa-isahin natin para hindi tayo stress. Balik tayo dito. Ano yung tinatawag nating focus? Si focus is dapat nasa loob siya ng parabola natin. So if this one is yung graph ng parabola natin, so yung focus natin must be this one, gaya ng nasabi ko kanina, example natin kanina. Ito yung magiging focus natin. Take note, wala tayong focus na nasa labas ng parabola. If this one is your parabola, hindi to pwedeng maging focus kasi nasa labas. Dapat yung focus is nasa loob. Nakuha? Ano yung pagkakaiba ng focus sa directrix? Yun na yun. Yung directrix kasi, dapat nasa labas siya ng graph ng parabola. If this one is the focus, this one must be your directrix. Nakuha? Nasa loob yung focus, nasa labas yung directrix. Ito yung graph ng parabola. So yung focus natin, that is a point. So make sure na meron tayong coordinate dyan, xy. Tapos yung directrix naman natin, line po siya. So meaning to say, hiningan tayo kung ano yung equation ng line directrix natin, dapat magbibigay ka talaga ng equation ng line. So ganun. For this case, line siya, hindi siya point. Alin yung pagkakaiba ni focus tapos ni directrix. So ito yung directrix, ito naman yung focus. Now, ano yung sinasabi dito na axis of symmetry? Si axis of symmetry naman, ito yung nagdi-divide sa graph ng parabola natin into two congruent part. So ito yung graph ng parabola natin, tapos divide natin ito into two congruent part. So meaning, yung line na to must be your, yes, very good, axis of symmetry. Nakuha. Take note also, since line yung hinihingi natin dito, dapat you should give the equation of that line. So for our case, yung axis of symmetry natin, that is the y-axis. Nakuha. Or yung equation ng line na to must be x is equals to 0 kasi 0 yung x niya. Yun lamang yung axis of symmetry. Next, how about the focal length? Ano yung tinatawag nating focal length? Sige, isa-isahin natin. Si focal length kasi, ito yung distance from focus to your vertex. By the way, vertex nga pala yung tawag natin dito. Nakalimutan ko ilagay, meron pa pala tayong vertex. Sa vertex kasi, siya yung parang pinaka center dun sa circle. Diba? Meron tayong circle. Nasa loob yung center, yun yung vertex natin. Sa parabola kasi, since open siya, hindi siya closed figure, so, yung vertex natin must be ito. Parang siya yung minimum point sa parabola if yung parabola natin opens upward. Also, if yung parabola natin opens downward, siya yung pinaka-maximum point. Nakuha. So, yung vertex natin must be a point. So, vertex, meron tayo dito, H tapos K. Same pa rin sa circle, H and K. So, H is yung X, yung K naman is yung Y. Okay, focal length. Ano yung focal length? Sabi doon sa book, yung focal length daw, ito yung distance from vertex to your focus. Nakuha. Si focal length, ito yung distance from vertex to focus. So in some other book, dinenote siya as A. In some other book, dinenote siya as C. So actually, it doesn't matter naman kasi variable lang naman yan. So in our case, since yung module natin is C yung nakasulat doon, so let's have it C na lang. So let's denote lang natin na C, focal length, that is your C. So ito. So yung focal length daw natin, that is the distance from the vertex of the parabola and then the focus. Also, yung distance ng vertex to the directrix, C din yan. So meaning to say, if I want to compute the distance from directrix to focus, that would be 2C. Nakuha. Again, ulitin ko. In summary, si focal length, that is the distance from vertex to focus. Distance from vertex to focus. Tapos, the same lang siya kay distance na kay vertex to directrix. Also, denoted siya by C. Nakuha. Yung distance na to is the same as distance na to. Tapos, denoted sila by C. Yan yung tinatawag nating focal length. Next naman is yung latus rectum. Ano yung tinatawag na latus rectum natin dito? Let's say for example, nag-create ako ng line dito, which is yung line na to is perpendicular siya dito sa axis of symmetry. At the same time, dapat tumama siya sa focus natin. So yung line natin na to, siya yung tinatawag na latus rectum. Ito yung latus rectum. Again, yung latus rectum, siya yung line na perpendicular dun sa axis of symmetry. At the same time, dapat mag-touch siya dito sa focus natin. Nakuha. So, meron tayong length ng latus rectum. So, yung length ng latus rectum or yung haba daw ng latus rectum natin is the same as 4C. Nakuha. If meron tayo ditong distance na C, tapos yung length daw ng latus rectum natin is 4C. Now, if I want to find the distance from this point, the focus, to the end point of the latus rectum, this must be 2C. Also, from this point to this point, this must be 2C. So, add natin silang dalawa, magiging 4C sila. Nakuha. Bakit importante malaman natin ang distance natin from focus to one of the end point of latus rectum is 2C? Kasi nga, mamaya, isasolve natin yung mga end points ng latus rectum. Very important na malaman natin yun. So, this distance from end point of latus rectum number 1 to focus is 2C. Also, distance from focus to end points ng latus rectum natin number 2 is also 2C. Nakuha. So, that's it. So, I hope you understand. Those are the basic terms na kailangan natin matutunan before tayo magsagot ng mga problems with regards to parabola.